Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to fix Cash App account closed. If you received a message saying your Cash App account was closed due to a terms of service violation, don't panic, you may be able to appeal the decision and you can still access your funds in the meantime. If you believe your account was closed by mistake, open Cash App and go to the message or notice about the closure. Tap the button labeled Contact Support or go to the Support section manually. Follow the prompts to request an appeal. Now, the appeal review can take up to 30 days. You will be contacted as soon as a decision is made. You can still cash out your funds even if your account is closed. So, pending direct deposits will be returned to the senders within 3 to 5 business days. If you hold stocks or Bitcoin, you can still sell them through the app and cash out to the proceeds. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.